Welcome everyone to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern time, so let's get started. No trade rooms on Monday. Tuesday at 5 a.m. the European CPI report will be just a event that we're watching, no trade room. Our first trade room on Tuesday will be 6:30 in the morning for Walmart earnings. Then back at 8 a.m. for building permits and housing starts on Canada core CPI, which will be our YouTube stream of the day. And then back at 4 p.m. for the family money trade, the API report. Wednesday at 2 a.m. British CPI, no trade room, but that's an official event. We'll be back in the room at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, 12:30 p.m. for 20-year bond auction, and then the big earnings, NVIDIA at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Thursday, 6:30 in the morning, we'll just be watching John Deere's earnings. Unfortunately, they don't release on time, so not 100% will have a trade room. Keep an eye on your email on that one. Thursday at 8 o'clock, we'll be streaming unemployment claims and Philly Fed manufacturing, that trade room, and then we'll be back at 9:30 for existing home sales and natural gas storage. Friday, we have 3:15 in the morning, the European French, and then the German flash manufacturing services reports. Both of those are family money trades. No trade room on those. At 4:30, you've got the British version of the same report. We'll be watching Canada's retail sales at 8:30. We won't be in the trade room until 9:15 on Friday for flash manufacturing services and revised University of Michigan. Both 9:15 will be in the room for both of those events. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. Don't forget to check your email for our fantastic offer to join 10-minute trades as a pro member. Every week we have a great webinar giving you an opportunity to join with us and learn how to trade news, events, and earnings using futures. Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. I'll see you in the trade room.